Snoring does not mean good sleep. It just means that the air from your lungs is unable to pass smoothly through your airways. This is what snoring indicates. First, relaxed throat muscles. Second, narrow airway. Third, blocked nasal passage. Fourth, obesity or neck fat. Things like alcohol, smoking, or even sleeping on your back can trigger snoring. Snoring becomes medically serious if there is choking or gasping, daytime sleepiness, headaches, difficulty in concentration, or even bouts of anxiety. This condition is called sleep apnea. It may result in high blood pressure, heart attacks, strokes, or memory problems. So, then what do we do to reduce snoring? First, get rid of the alcohol or smoking. That can help you a great deal. Second, exercise. Lose the excess fat. Third, follow a fixed routine for your sleep. Fourth, sleep on your side and keep the nose clear. And finally, get tested if the snoring is loud. Snoring is not a sign of good sleep. It's often a sign that your body is struggling at night. So seek help and fix it.